We've made it easier to review and fine-tune your videos in Pictory. Let's take a quick look at the new video preview and timeline, and how to use them. Inside the video editor, the video preview shows you exactly how your video looks. You can press play at any time to review visuals, text, voiceover, and music in real time. At the bottom of the editor, you'll see the timeline. Each scene in your video appears as a visual thumbnail, making it easy to identify each scene. Click on any scene in the timeline to jump straight to it to make edits. You'll also find the time of each scene in the bottom left of each thumbnail. If something feels too fast or too slow, you can select that scene and make adjustments by clicking and dragging the right-hand side. Or you can edit your scene duration here as normal. By clicking on these three dots in the top right, the scene menu will appear to give you the options such as duplicating or linking to the next scene. When you're ready for feedback, use the share preview to generate a shareable link. Your teammates or collaborators can review the video without downloading files, making feedback faster and easier. With the new preview and timeline, you can work more efficiently, fine-tune pacing, and confidently finalize your video before publishing. That's the new video preview and timeline in Pictory.